Hi viewers, welcome back to MasterJSkills. In today's video, we will see how to download and install STS IDE, that is Spring Tool Suite. So with the help of this video, we will be creating our Spring Boot applications, and we will see all the examples, or we can explore all the Spring features or Spring Boot features in this STS IDE. So please watch the video without skipping for clear understanding, and keep supporting me by subscribing to MasterJSkills. So now let's see how to download and install STS. So for this, just open the Chrome or any browser. So for this, just type Spring STS download. Now you have to click on the first link, which is a Spring tool. So once you click on it, if you come down, so you will have a Spring Tool 4 for Eclipse. So according to your specification, you can download your IDE. So I have a Windows 64. I'll just click on this. So just as soon as you click on this, it will start downloading a jar file, which is a Spring Tool Suite 4 jar file. So let it download. So I have this file already downloaded here. So once you get this file, just extract it. So if you can see here, it's downloaded the same file I have downloaded previously. So just extract this file. Then if you extract, if you open, you will get all of these files. So what you have to do is just open this file, or you can pin to start. So just click on this, double click on this tool. So our STS will start preparing our workspace. So you can give your workspace. So as of now, I have given on the same workspace, or you can browse accordingly. Then you just click on launch. So it's preparing a workspace for us. So I have already created this demo project. I'll just delete it. So once it is launched, it will be like this. So it's a fresh pack. It has a fresh package explorer. So to create our Spring Boot application, you just need to create new Spring Starter project. So just click on it. So it will ask for a name, then which type of structure you are going to build, and packaging, whether jar or var, and the version, which language you are using. I'll be using Java. So group ID we have to provide, and artifact ID, then version, and you can give the description and the package. So once you are done with this, then click on next. So here you have all the available dependencies. So you can see here, these are the starter dependencies. It has made our life much easier, that we will see in the starters video. So just for now, I'll just click on this particular jar just for demo purpose. So this particular dependency is used for this is a development tool. So whenever we modify any code in the application without restarting the server, that code will be deployed under the server. So I'll just take this dependency, then just click on next, and then click finish. So once you finish, it will start creating our project. So once it has done, so you can see our project structure is ready. And I have just added the dev tool in the pom.xml. So you can see here all our Java classes in the main Java folder, and all the resources related for this Java, and all the Java test cases will be under this folder. And this is the pom.xml where all our dependencies are existed. So you can see this is already added by the Spring framework itself, as it's we will cover it in this Spring starters. And I have just added this Spring Boot dev tools. So this is the one which I have added while creating the projects. So this is quite simple how we can download and install this STS into our system. So to open mean importantly, if you are not installed Java, then this workspace is not going to open. So make sure you install the Java in your system. So this is all about how we can download and install STS in our system. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comment box. I'll make sure to clear all of your doubts. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and so I'll come up with the next video. So till then, take care and see you guys in the next video. And thanks again for watching.